Hello garden enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. If you're intrigued by the idea of adding a green touch to your space in a unique and compact way, you're at the right place. Today, we'll explore how to transform ordinary jars into vibrant miniature gardens. Stick around to learn all about jar gardening, perfect for every type of gardener. Choosing the right jar is the foundation of a successful jar garden. Consider glass jars for their clarity and beauty. Mason jars are sturdy and stylish, but even old pickle or jam jars can be upcycled into beautiful gardens. Think about the size: small jars for single plants like succulents, larger jars for mixed plantings. Ensure your jar is clean and free from residues to give your plants a healthy start. Here's your gardening checklist. First, gravel or small stones for the drainage layer. Next, activated charcoal to keep the water clean and odor-free. You'll also need potting soil. Choose a type suited for your plants, such as cactus mix for succulents. Select plants that are small enough to fit comfortably in your jar. And finally, consider adding a personal touch with decorative pebbles, moss, or even miniature figurines. Let's start layering. Begin with a layer of gravel at the bottom for drainage. This prevents water from sitting at the roots. Next, a thin layer of activated charcoal to keep the environment fresh. Now, add your potting soil, providing enough depth for the roots to thrive. Carefully place your plants, positioning them to create a visually appealing arrangement. Top it off with decorative elements to enhance the aesthetic. Planting in a jar requires a gentle touch. Make small holes in the soil for each plant, easing the roots in without crowding. Arrange taller plants in the back, shorter ones in front to create depth. For succulents, ensure the soil is dry at planting and water lightly afterward to avoid rot. For moisture-loving plants, keep the soil evenly moist. Maintaining your jar garden is straightforward but essential. Keep the jar in a location with indirect sunlight. Too much direct sun can heat up the jar and harm the plants. Water sparingly. The enclosed nature of a jar retains moisture. Every couple of weeks, open your jar to air it out and check the moisture level, adjusting your watering schedule based on how dry the soil feels. The real fun in jar gardening is the endless creativity it allows. Consider creating themed gardens, like a desert landscape with various succulents or a lush tropical paradise. Tailor your jar garden to the seasons, or create a fairy garden with tiny figurines and moss. Each jar is a blank canvas for your botanical artistry. We hope this guide inspires you to start your own jar garden. It's a fantastic way to bring a bit of nature indoors in a stylish and space-efficient way. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Share your creations with us in the comments or on our social media. Happy gardening! Follow us for more great content, and don't forget to share your gardening adventures. See you in the next video.